Hello students, here is your EVS teacher. You all know we have started lesson 1 and we are doing third topic of this lesson. We discussed about how to maintain our cleanliness in this topic, in this subtopic, and after that we discussed some more points to make ourselves healthy, fit and fine. Today we will continue this topic and discuss some other good habits and manners which helps us to become healthy as well as a good human being. So now let's read this other good habits and manners. First one is do not fight with anybody. Fight can cause injury. We should not fight with anyone. If we fight with someone, then we may hurt or it may damage some of our body parts. We may get hurt. So we should not fight with anyone. Eat healthy. We should always eat healthy food items like fruits, vegetables, milk products like cheese, ghee, curd. These are the healthy food items. Fruits. We should include all these food items in our diet to keep ourselves healthy. Drink lots of water. Definitely we should drink lots of water. Whenever we feel thirsty, we should drink water. It also helps us to become healthy, fit and fine. Do not bite your nails. We should not bite our nails. While biting, what happens? Sometimes the skin around our nails may get cut while biting the nails, and sometimes the dirt in our nails while biting get into our body and it then starts paining. So we should not bite nails. Instead of that, we should cut our nails weekly. Cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing. We should always cover our mouth while sneezing means छींकना and coughing means खांसी करना. Why we should cover our mouth while sneezing? See this boy is while sneezing, he is using the handkerchief because the droplets that come out from our mouth, it may contain germs that affects the person standing in front of us. So always cover your mouth with the handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. Respect your elders. We should respect our elders by wishing them or by showing some sweet gestures to them. See this in the second picture. The boy is giving his seat to an elder person, and these are the good manners. It means the boy is respecting the elders. If someone gives you something, then we should always say thank you for that. Eating healthy food items, these are also good habits and manners. Makes us healthy. And if we sneeze, we should always use handkerchief to cover your mouth. So this is all about our today's topic. I hope so it is clear to you. Thanks and have a nice day.